Hi Sagittarius. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. This reading is for the month of November. What are the messages for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, in case this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check out the other placements. Don't be disheartened. Sometimes our sun signs don't really relate to us as much as our moon, rising, or when it comes to love, our Venus sign resonates with us. Okay, Sagittarius. Lot of turmoil, mental, emotional, physical, if it is the case. You've got a lot of major arcana happening here, which is great. Card at the bottom of the deck is Queen of Wands. I'll keep her right here. Sagittarius, what I feel is that after a period of a lot of mental turmoil, could be with authorities, could be with your boss, your father, turmoil with people or internally because of the actions undertaken by the people, you have been feeling exhausted. You felt as if you needed to relax, you needed to isolate yourself. You didn't want to be in contact with anyone, let alone, indulging in people. You just didn't want to be with anyone, Sagittarius. But I feel that that is changing. Those energies are leaving you, and whatever unfairness that you had gone through in the recent past has now been replaced by strength, and rest assured that justice will be done. You've got the justice card. It could be a Libran that you were dealing with. In case it's you are dealing with some legal issues, trust me, they are going to work out in your favor, Sagittarius, because you've got the wish fulfillment card right next to it. And if it was love, if it was a partner that you would wanting to be with, and due to, I'm getting this feeling that because of your community, probably your partner was from another community, and you guys and your families couldn't, indulge in any sort of union when it comes to anyone outside of your community. So that probably has caused this turmoil. And when I talk about authority, it could be a parent, it could be somebody like somebody who makes the rules, you know, of the community, of say, I mean, I don't want to name any community, but you get my point, right? Somebody who has the authority to lay rules down, to make sure certain things happen certain way, and to make sure that people don't indulge in other people who are from other communities. Anyway, I see that it's going to change very soon. Probably you and your partner will be able to convince your communities, your parents, or whoever these are higher authorities are, that no matter what happens, love conquers all. So, yeah, I'm seeing there's a great possibility of you guys coming together, no matter what are the odds. So, just I'm just saying that be careful, because sometimes these clashes may lead to some serious injuries. So be careful with that. You've got the world card, that's great. I'm pretty sure that if one person in authority is coming in the way, another person will help you out with it, and you guys will get out of this situation very soon. Also, I'm getting the feeling that a good news is coming your way very soon. So keep an eye out for that. Beware of people who are coming to take advantage of you. If you get the slightest of hint that a certain someone is not does not have your best interests at heart, let them go. Don't indulge in them. Don't take any sort of help from these people, because sometimes people help you just so that they can be helped. And yeah, if you were waiting for a confirmation about a partner, about a certain situation, about your own health, emotional well being, I feel that the answer is a positive one. If you're going to propose to your partner, despite these clashes, she or he is going to say yes. If you are dealing with some kind of emotional turmoil, you want to get out of it, you want to ask about your mental health, emotional health, then just rest assured that soon you're going to feel fulfilled, you're going to feel happy, you're also going to feel emotionally really stable, so that you can take bigger decisions in your life, and correct ones, Sagittarius. Let's see your additional messages and advices from people, from angels, from your higher selves, from past over loved ones. You're going to get success, Sagittarius, whether it's your job, money, partnership, union, even, your own mental health, emotional well being. You're going to get success. So just uh, hold on to the faith and keep going, Sagittarius. You're doing great, and in the near future, you'll find yourself really empowered and in control of your life. The additional messages from your angels are: what do you need to release, Sagittarius? Adjustments are required, emotions are running high, and a new start is coming. Sagittarius, these are additional messages, so you can relate it to the tarot or not, or if these are individual questions that you asked apart from the general tarot reading, then these are your answers. Feel free to um, take them however they resonate with you, because I always tell my viewers that these additional messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Sagittarius, I hope this reading made sense to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.